Aside from the content we create in general, I think one thing we learn, one of the most powerful things we learn is you can't please everybody. So you've got to you got to get out there and you got to continue to work and you've got to continue to put yourself out there. As talk until the cows come home about the program and walk you through the Adobe suite, but unless you get your hands on it and start editing, you'll never really learn.
I like being able to like get an assignment and like have a certain time to do it. It's great practice, I think, for like real world situations. And yeah, I like working with editing programs, obviously. I've learned a lot from this class, and I get to meet, because I do like interviews and stuff, I get to meet a lot of new people, and I get to work with people in the class that I probably wouldn't work with. It's my favorite class because I feel like it's actually helping me for my future. Like some of my other classes, it just feels like I'm going through the motions and I'm like halfway learning everything. But I feel like in this class I actually really enjoy what I'm learning, so it's fun to like, even if it is an assignment, it feels fun. It feels like a good time.